and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and today I brought you to Greve in Chianti. We are really close to Florence and we are about to discover together a gorgeous historical villa with its own private chapel. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The villa was built by Piero Antonio del Vernaccia at the beginning of the 18th century. He chose this place because it is surrounded by these mountains that create like an amphitheater, sheltering the villa from the winds coming from the north. Also, it has a gorgeous view on the valley right below. The property is surrounded by about 2 hectares of land, and it also has its own olive grove. If you like, there is also the option of including about 600 hectares of land surrounding the villa. The property is composed of the main villa on my right, right beside the main villa there is a very large farmhouse that needs to be restored, and behind the property there are some garages. Whereas right behind me there is the private chapel that I'm about to show you. Let's go and have a look. It was built in 1710 for the Archbishop of Florence, San Antonio, and it still has some gorgeous original details, like this terracotta floor and these frescoes and stuccos on the ceiling. It is the ideal place for moments of reflection and prayer. Let's now have a closer look to the main villa. It is 1,300 square meters of internal space, laid on 4 floors with 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. I love how it has these original symmetrical proportions. Let's now have a look inside. We're now inside the villa. This is the first floor and this is the living area. I love its gorgeous proportions with these really high ceilings, and also have a look at these 2 doors, perfectly symmetrical. As well, all of these details like the stuccos on the ceiling, the frescoes, and the floor completely covered with terracotta. Una caratteristica interessante di questa villa è che ha delle pareti molto spesse e dei soffitti molto alti. Questa combinazione garantisce degli spazi freschi durante i mesi più caldi. As I said earlier, the villa has 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms in total. If you would like to expand on the number of bedrooms, you could use the upper floors to create one or more apartments. Right beside the first living area, we find this hallway. From here we get to 5 bedrooms. Let me now show you a few of them. Let's start with this one. In terms of style, it is very similar to the living area we've seen earlier. In fact, it has this beautiful terracotta floor, the high ceilings, the frescoes. And this gorgeous view outside the window. Let me show you. We've now got to the end of the hallway. Here we find my favorite bedroom. It has an independent access for its bathroom. And from here we go inside. The first thing you notice as you walk inside is for sure this beautiful canopy bed, which makes the room very warm and cozy. Of course, it has a gorgeous view of Tuscany, but outside of this window there is the best feature out of them all. Let me show it to you. Date un'occhiata a questa terrazzina. È totalmente dedicata alla camera da letto e le garantisce privacy e una stupenda vista sul giardino. Look at this farmhouse. It needs to be restored, but it is in great structural condition. The housekeeper currently lives in part of it, but if you would like to turn this property into an accommodation business, it is a great opportunity to expand on the number of bedrooms. This villa has been bought by the current family that owns it nearly 1 century ago. I'm now looking for someone ready to live it, love it, and take care of it, just like this family did for nearly 100 years. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I will see you next time. Ciao.